There we go. I am reading a book. I am reading a book with a CE2 girl. I am at the library. Oh. I am at the library.
I am painting.
I am painting. I am in the gym walking on buckets.
I am
In the gym
at the gym
walking
walking
on buckets.
buckets. I am cutting the bee.
I am cutting out the parts of the bee.